Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software on PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to add text to your video in CapCut. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the menu bar right there and make sure you go ahead and head over to text. Next thing you want to do here, you have different text templates right here. So by default, I'm going to go ahead and import this template. Then we have it from the top right here. Then here you can work on the template right here. You can replace the text from default right here to your personal text. So just double click on it, and then this is going to open up right here. You can say intro. Okay, so once you type in the text, then you can change the font style. Come to the system font right here. Click on here. And then the more you click, the more the font is going to be appear, just like what you see right here. Then you can increase the text size. You can reposition the text right here. Then you can also add change color right here. So you can scroll down right here. You can change to, let's try and see different color right here. So I'm going to apply red color. Or better still, we can, red color is going to be cool. So right here, you can also make it all caps. So this will give you all caps. So you can also return back to your previous text format. Just press Ctrl C and stick you back right there. Then you have different preset templates that you can use right there. So let's take a look at them one after the other. So once you click on the template right here, it's going to be reflected in your text, just like what you see right here. So if you are satisfied with that preset, then you are good to go. If you don't want to use preset, just click on here. It's going to take out the effect. So I'm going to go back to the preset right. Then right here we can also use the scaling or scale down. This is depends on how and the size of the text we want to actually achieve. Then you can also work on the text alignment. You can decide to put it in the right alignment center. You can put it in the center right here, or you can put it in align center, and then you can decide to take it to the align bottom. Then you have a perfect alignment here. Then you can work on the opacity. You can decide to turn down the opacity a little bit. So for sometimes, if you want to use text as a watermark, you can turn down the opacity. Then this will only appear across all the video. You can adjust where you want the video to, where you want the text to appear, just like so. So we can change this to watermark. Change this to watermark. Then you can turn down the opacity as much as possible. This will give you a kind of watermark on the video. By the time we continue playing the video, it's going to be reflected, just like what you see right here. So if you want to add additional text, come back to the template right here and drag another options right there. Then here you have another text. So you can rename this to another part. You can say personality right here. So once you enter the text, then you can begin to format the text such as different effect style right here, like color options. So click on color options right there. So I'm going to change this into type of green right there. So you can also work on the font style. If you are not satisfied with the font style, you can work on it, and then you can increase, you can make the font bold, you can increase the font size right here, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see different effects that you can add with the text. Then you have stroke right there. So here you can add stroke. Then you can also add glow effect right here. So lastly, you can also add animation to this particular font right here. You can also come to the system font right here, and then this will allow you to choose different type of font that you like. So I'm going to use this particular font right here, and I'll make it more bold. Then we can position the text anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead again. I will scale down the text a little bit, which simply means that by the time the video plays to this angle, this text here is going to come up right there. We can add a bit of animation sections right there. To add an animation, you have to make sure you connect to the internet. That's simple. So basically, this is how to add text to your video in CapCut video editing software. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.